It's about 8 a.m. We're just getting ready to head out to pick up my new car. Slava's on his way over. As soon as he gets here, we'll be on the way. Yep. Yeah.
I want it to go with somebody that I know is going to actually like I'll just sit on it and build it eventually, or pass it on. A lot of them will get really bad in here. I mean, my attitude was like, cut the fender out, put overs on it.
This is great, yeah, totally. And the door latch is still there. That's all that matters.
Yeah, I mean, that's
perfect fit for.
That was my idea. Was cut like 1.5 inches, 2 inches off.
Yeah.
Pull this out enough to get a over on it.
Yep.
And then
exactly. Stopped at the car wash real quick on the way back to clean this thing up a little bit. It's pretty dirty in the engine bay, so gotta get some of this grease out. The nice thing is, it's in the perfect state right now to wash it because it's so empty. Yep, that's looking much better now. If you didn't already know, I'm selling my orange RX-7. I love that car, but since I'm not planning to compete anymore, it's just overkill. I picked up this Corolla with a simple goal to have a clean, fun, and basic drift car that's affordable and looks cool. I've owned several AE86 in the past, so I have no doubt this will meet those demands, and I can't wait to begin to put it together.